Namaskar students, welcome to your yoga session. My name is Rohit and I'll be teaching you the art of yoga. So before we begin, let's start with the basics of yoga, like the rules and regulations and your dress code. Okay. So when I started my yoga in an ashram, so there every morning we used to gather at 5 a.m. and we used to start with chanting. First, for 5 minutes we used to do chanting. That goes like Om chanting. Okay. Then we used to start with our prayers and a little bit of meditation. And then we used to start our yogasanas. That is important because the foundation, our Guruji always told me that the foundation is most important in yoga. If the foundation is good, then your inner core and your inner strength and your mind will be strong. And your willingness to learn the art will always grow. So let's start with the first rule, which is your dress code. Always have the dress code as white. Either it can be a white pajama and a white kurta, or else it can be a white track pant along with a white t-shirt. But always remember that white is compulsory during our yoga sessions. That is because white symbolizes prosperity, peace, and purity. Okay? So these are the three main reasons why white gives that calming effect, and that is why we prefer white as a dress code during our yoga sessions. The second thing is you need to have a mat where you are either sitting or standing and conducting your yoga session, because if you have a mat, it gives a comfortable cushioning for your knees as well as to your ankles, and when you are doing your meditation you don't feel the pain, rather you can sit comfortably. So either you can have a yoga mat or else you can have a normal mat, okay, which is called as chatai in Hindi. You can have that, or else you can have a carpet which is soft and cushioning carpet. Otherwise, have a cloth, a bed sheet folded in 2 or 3, and you can place it. Okay, so that will also give you a good cushioning. And basically, when you're sitting, you need to have a good cushioning and a clean surface. So that is the reason you need to have either a yoga mat or any other sheet, bed sheet, carpet, or anything that you can place for your yoga sessions. The next is the breathing. The breathing should always be done through your nose. Never during your yoga you should breathe from mouth. Never it should be done. It is a very bad practice and it will not give you the results that you are seeking. So always do your breathing through your nostrils and never from your mouth. Yes, there are few pranayams which has to be done from the mouth, but those are advanced level pranayams. So to start with, let's do a basic chanting, which is Om chanting. Okay. For that, first we need to keep our hands in Namaskar Mudra. Okay. This is called as Namaskar Mudra. Right? Your arms are parallel to the floor. Your hands are straight and pointing upwards, and this is called as Namaskar Mudra. This is a symbol of respect to your Guru. This is a symbol of accepting all the energies, inviting all the energies within you. Okay? So we keep our hands in the Namaskar Mudra and we start our Om chanting. You can either close your eyes or you can keep your eyes open. Take a deep breath through your nose. Remember, when you take a deep breath, your chest should expand. And then let's start with our chanting. This is our morning chanting or our starting for the meditation chanting before our yogasanas or our pranayams, which brings in a good vibration throughout the environment, and your mind is prepared for meditating and your mind is prepared for the yogasanas. This chanting you can do 3 times before we start our session. In the ancient times, our yogics, who were Maharishis, they used to have these chantings for almost 3 to 5 minutes in one single breath. So that is how good their lung capacity was. So that is why we practice. Even when I started my yoga, my chant wasn't even for 15 seconds or 20 seconds. But now, as we keep progressing, as we practice on a daily basis, our breath increases as well as the capacity of your lungs increases and your chant is longer and very rhythmic. Okay, so let's do it once again. Bring your hands to Namaskar Mudra. Take a deep breath. Now start your chant. Okay. This we have to repeat 3 times every day before we start our yoga session. Okay. So now let's begin our starting prayer. Before we start our prayer, bring your hands to Namaskar Mudra. And then take a deep breath and start your prayer. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malan sharirasya cha vaidyakena Yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosme avapurushakaram shankachakrasidharanam sahasrashirusham shvetam pranamamim patanjalim. Now, let me explain you the meaning of our prayer. It means that we bow our heads to the greatest Maharishi, which is Patanjali, who has invented this art of yoga and given this gift of yoga to the mankind, which indeed helps in the benefit of medical science as well as calming of our mind for our meditation, and also it helps for cleansing your soul. So that is the importance of this prayer. Before we start, we give the respect and we bow down our heads to the greatest sage, who is Patanjali. After we finish our yogasanas, we conclude with the final prayer, or also called as closing prayer. For that, in a similar manner, bring your hands to the Namaskar Mudra. Take a deep breath and repeat after me. Sthapakaya cha dharmasya sarvadharmaswarupine avatar varishtaya Ramakrishnaya te namaha. Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suryaye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swami Netapaharine Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaskar students.
So students, as you have noticed in this video that we have covered the rules and regulations of yoga, which is your dress code, which needs to be white, and you need to have a floor mat or a carpet or a yoga mat, okay, and you should have your chantings in a proper manner, rhythmic manner, as well as your prayers. So the assignment is that you need to practice all these things and submit a video in the group so that I can see your videos and score them accordingly. Okay, so what I'll be noticing in the video is that your dress code is the first thing. You need to have a white t-shirt or a white kurta and white pajama. Okay, and you need to have a floor mat, a yoga mat, and how good your breathing is while you're chanting, your Om chanting, and your prayers. You need to by heart your morning prayers and the closing prayers, which is compulsory for our yoga classes. So before we start our next yoga class, I want all of you all to be perfect with the prayers so that we can move ahead. Okay students, so please post your videos for the next yoga session. Okay, so thank you and namaskar.